learn to check an output. Yeah, you see carefully here. Value at A0 is index 0 is equal to 45. As you know that index starts from 0, that's why for 45 we have index 0. Then for index 1 is 65, index 2 is 78, 3 23, and then last one, which is 4, is 19. Welcome, my dear friends, my lover. This is our boy Javizo Audio Official, and you are still on GOO Computer Tutorials. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to print out or to display an array elements by using loop, right? Yeah, in the previous lesson, we learned how to print an array element by just using set statement. And you know that a loop is a mechanics or tool that make a looping easily, right? Instead of writing a statement many times, you can use a loop. So now let us use for loop to print these array elements. Now you know that the syntax of for loop is just for, then declaration and initialization. Now then condition is just let us start from 0, as you know that index starts from 0, and then must return equal to 4. If our elements are 5, we mean we end up with 4 because we started from 0, and then I must be increment, and then open and close our loop. After this, now we need to print our element, right? Then ctd, then out, let us print our array elements. Can just write like this, but here you know that must be semicolon. Then here let us write like this one, value at, but also in double quotation, value at our array is called A, right? Then square brackets. Here let us print our I. Here, then this one like this, then close our square brackets, and then is equal to, then you can also close our also this one, this code, and then write our A as array name, and then I as index. And also here we need to print or to write end line. After printing one element, we'll start a new line. End line here, then semicolon here like this. So as you see, this is a simple way of printing array element instead of writing this statement 5 or 10 times, right? So this is for professional. It's used to save time and keep a program short. So let us make a compilation to check whether there is some errors. You see there is no error. Let us now learn to check an output. Yeah, you see carefully here. Value at A0 is index 0 is equal to 45. As you know that index starts from 0, that's why for 45 we have index 0. Then for index 1 is 65, index 2 is 78, 3 23, and then last one, which is 4, is 19. So this is how to print an array element by just using a for loop in order to save time and to keep program short, right? So thank you for watching this video. Please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and please share it to your colleagues, either in your groups, WhatsApp, so that our friends can also access to our amazing lessons. So see you in next lesson.